That's Matt Field passing me.
Are we getting hysterical?
We're getting hysterical.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna start crying.
Oh, shit.
Alright.
Alright, so we remember what to do now, right?
Yeah, let's do our vocal warm-ups.
La, 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 la.
So loud.
Down the main straight. There's no bumps. So even if it's moving around a little bit on the track, when you go past it,
Let's put our transponders on.
I talk to you about it.
I can't do this with one hand.
Hey, Omar. How's it going? Great. All right. I'm all set.
Smile, boys.
My boy walks away.
Hi.
Marco dips out. Alright, Rochelle's helping me put numbers on the Integra. We're hoping I remembered the number correctly. Pretty sure I'm 73. Jett's got his fancy numbers on. Elamar!
Hey!
We're putting Marco's numbers on. We all got our transponders hooked up. All us Honda boys got this nice tow hook on the back, which is perfect for the transponder. Your 3 is going to be a lot better than the one I did last time.
Dude, it was saucy. Dude, I only got 138 out of it. It says my theoretical best for your first lap. That's pretty good. 133 for sure.
Yo.
Hi. Yeah, there's a lot of really fast cars in that section.
What? Is that advanced?
Yeah.
All 4 of us in one group, we help. I'm really hoping like that I'm not too tired to do a fifth session in your head.
And then it goes in here, through here.
Yes. Yes.
And then it touches you right here.
Dude, I was going over 100. You're surprised yours is alive.
So I'm kind of lucky.
Oh, that's on video.
Don't
There you
have
go.
that.
Ticket. Oh wait.
This cable's nice right there.
Yeah, dude. 25 years old, bro. 26 years old.
Dude, mine too.
I got pee. We're about to go race, so we gotta use the bathroom first. And then check my oil, and then we'll go.
Hi. You guys still don't fit.
What up, boys and girls? It's Jett, Josh, Imperium Racing. We're here at Thunderhill West. There goes the homie. We got Marco out there in his boosted Integra. We got Zach in the billion-mile Integra. Our buddy Elamar's here in his EP3 Civic. I'm here in the Black Miata. I'm in a different run group, so Josh and I did a little filming. We've done a really bad job today so far of filming anything. So this is our intro.
We just got here. What are you talking about?
Yeah, this is our intro. We just got here at 3 o'clock. But yeah, boys are sending their first track day here pretty well. It's a pretty tricky course, so they're learning a lot. Yeah, we'll check in with the boys and we'll see how everything's going. Freaking getting it. Okay, Marco. He'll be good. Yeah, he is. He is. 30. There you go, Zach. Oh shit.
Huh?
That's Matt Field passing me. Some point, bro, you gotta let me through. tire pressure back in the car. We're gonna drive home with like 23 PSI.
Nice.
Very successful track day.
It was a successful track day. Marco's exhaust came undone there.
He was just exhausted.
Exhausted.
Yeah, I was really exhausted.
He had too many horse purrs when he floored it.
Purrs, purrs. Yeah, some horses escaped, but it's okay now.
You're still probably over 300 though. We're like 301 now.
See those cows up on the hill? Some of the horses in Marco's car just wanted to go play with those cows.
Logic.
You can almost see them. So Marco's exhaust. Zach thinks that he has a head gasket leak.
Just a little one though. Just a little guy. It fixed itself though. It's like going back up.
I mean, that's what Hondas do, right? They fix themselves if you just keep ignoring them.
I mean, with a head gasket leak, that means it still has at least 50,000 miles left to go.
At least, right?
No problem. It's a Honda. Yeah, it'll get to 350 easy. But
Well.
successful track day? Well, we missed our first session, I guess. That's
You missed
got
your
4
first and your last.
We got 5 sections.
Jett put the laps down.
I put the laps down.
Jett put it
I'm
down.
not trying to flex, but I did it 11 days after wrist surgery.
Dude, just like that bear, he's trying to flex. Oh yeah, and
Yeah.
wrist surgery from jacking off too much, or not.
I
don't
didn't
know.
even notice until, I mean, it's just how much. Yeah, that's going to be,
And look at that beautiful sunset there. That concludes track day.
yeah. We were going to end the video because we're all packed up and ready to go home, but Josh forgot something.
We lost something. Where is it?
Find it.
Oh wait, found it. Peace. 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 Peace.
There it is.